We have been doing some really cool stuff at Let's Make Art over the last few months. I am so proud of where we are. Lately, we have been really focusing on more intermediate watercolor projects, and the amount of growth I have seen has been inspiring. But sometimes we just need to shake things up a bit. A huge part of being able to sustain a creative practice is taking time for play. A few months ago, I stumbled on some watercolor techniques that I have never seen before or even tried. I simply fell down this rabbit hole that made me giddy and excited to show up to paint every day. Honestly, I feel like I have fallen in love with watercolor all over again. In this course, you can expect 6 video step-by-step tutorials, 2 technique videos to go over all the new supplies and how to use them, and with great excitement, I'm happy to say that you will receive all the supplies you need in order to complete these projects. These projects are literally for anyone, whether you have been painting for an hour or even years. I'm confident that you will not only learn something new, but actually enjoy it. The benefit of this painting style is learning how to go with the flow and seeing how the paint reacts with the water or the tools and then responding to it. Together, we will create moody atmospheric paintings, and by letting the watercolor do the work for us, you will soon learn that you just need 15 minutes and the right tools to make something you're proud of.